Hello my lovelies, welcome to Happy Muncher. Happy Friday. I'm out here in this beautiful space here in Tbilisi. It's an area called Obani Square. I just came to share it with you guys so that we explore it a little bit. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit so that I show you the area. I'm super hungry as we are speaking right now, so I'm gonna have to find a restaurant to sit and eat. I feel like having some meat today, but anyway, let us go. So guys, this is another beautiful area here called Obani in Tbilisi. It's so beautiful, very clean, and it's filled with a lot of restaurants, bars, cafes, but it gets really busy in the evening. Right now there's just a few people around. Anyway, let's do a little walk tour before I find somewhere to sit and eat. There's a tram here, but I think this used to be red, and I think they just scratched out that red pattern, but this is so cute. So this is the area my loves. It's so beautiful. Look how clean it is. The streets are spotless clean, and yeah, there's so many restaurants and cafes around here, but I just want to walk to the park and show you this beautiful park around here. So this is the beautiful park. It's called 9 April Park, and it's located here in Obani, and right in front of it is a castle, and that's where the president of Georgia lives. I don't want to take a video of that because I don't think it's allowed, but yeah, this is the beautiful park. As you can see, people are just relaxing, you know. So let's walk a little bit in this park. I don't think there's much to see except, you know, there are stools where you can sit and relax. There's a children's playground on the other side here. Grass, tall trees, and let me see on this side. Okay. There's something beautiful here. The sculpture here. So beautiful, right? A kids zone. There are swings and slides. So let's just walk a bit more. So I think you can just grab a drink or a snack and enjoy it in this park. As you can see, so many people sitting and enjoying that time here. There are actually a lot of parks like this in Tbilisi. Wow, this park is absolutely beautiful. I think this used to be like a fountain, but there's no water running. And look at that huge tree, guys. I'm sure they're going to decorate that during Christmas because it looks like a Christmas tree. Stunning. It's very peaceful and so refreshing to be in this park. Okay, 9 April Park, that's the name of the park. Okay, I've walked the park a little bit. It's not a really big park, it's really small, but yeah, it's refreshing to be here. Now let's look for a restaurant. The president's house, guys, the castle. The president literally lives there, and yeah, there are securities, but One thing that's shocking, you can never ever pass through the president's house. Like I see in Georgia, people are just passing by like it's just a normal building. That is absolutely insane, because like, wow, the maximum security that's in my country over the president's house is crazy. But here in Georgia, you can literally see people walking in, but yeah, people are just passing by, no problem at all. Wow, interesting. Anyway, let's go find some food, guys. I'm super hungry. Okay, I just walked into another street. These cafes, restaurants. Really beautiful space, guys. I think one of the things that I also love about Georgia is the street dining. I think it's so authentic. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna check out this restaurant here. It's called Ribs and Puri. Let's see. This is their menu. Barbecue. I feel like meat today, so that's what I'm going to have. This is the restaurant. Ribs and Puri. This is a very beautiful space, so I'm gonna sit here, guys, and have my meal. So guys, I'm going to have cappuccino. This is what I'm having for my drink. Yeah, I've been drinking a lot of cappuccino lately because of the weather. It's a little bit cold, winds, so this is warming me up. So this is the meal for my starter. They have a special for 29 gel. So it comes with a starter, a main course, and a side dish. Unfortunately, no dessert. But yeah, for 29 gel and having 2 meals, I think it's dope. So this is what I'm having. This is salmon salad. Basically lettuce and smoked salmon. There's some tomatoes in there and some breadsticks. I think they're cheese breadsticks. So let's dig in. Okay, let's try the salad. So this is my second meal. This is beef kebab and macaroni, garlic butter macaroni. So I'm gonna have this after I finish my salad. So this is the second meal, and yeah, so cool. Okay, let's taste the macaroni, garlic buttered macaroni. Yep, they taste buttery. I don't taste the garlic though, but the butter definitely. So let's check with the kebab with the macaroni. Absolutely delicious. I kind of like the kebab. It's really, really delicious. I noticed it's got some veggies in there, maybe parsley and onion. Beautifully seasoned. It's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of my video for today. So for an exciting and great dining experience, I suggest that you come to Obani Square. very nice restaurants. You'll enjoy the ambience as well. But yeah, I advise that you come in the evenings when there's like a bit of a crowd, but if you don't like crowds, the afternoon is perfect. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.